divide using long division. So we have 2x to the fourth minus 3x squared plus 6x over x minus 3. So the first thing you want to do is write this piece on the outside, so x minus 3. And the top piece goes on the inside. So we have 2x to the fourth. Notice you're missing an x cubed here, so you want to add a 0x cubed. So you put that in here, 0x cubed. It's like a placeholder. We already have the x squared term, so we'll include that. We have the x term, so we include that. And then we're missing like a number here. We're missing the constant term, so we have to include that. So these placeholders are helpful. Not all textbooks include the placeholders. I like placeholders. You'll see why when we do the problem. All right, now we'll go ahead and start the process. So the first thing you do is you ask yourself, what do you multiply by x in order to get 2x to the fourth? So 2x cubed. And you can line it up with the x cubed term if you like. It makes it easier. Again, the question was, what do you multiply by x in order to get 2x to the fourth? 2x cubed. Then you multiply the 2x cubed by both of these numbers. So 2x cubed times x is 2x to the fourth. Then 2x cubed times negative 3 is negative 6x cubed. Put a parentheses, and a big minus sign, and then you add. If you add these, they cancel, right? 2 and negative 2x to the fourth, they cancel. Here, this is negative and negative, so it becomes a positive 6x cubed. Then you use an arrow, and you bring down the next one. Now, everyone does their long division a little bit differently. Whatever way you do it is, the way to do it. Then you multiply. Again, the question is, what do you multiply by x in order to get 6x cubed? So it's like 6x squared. So plus 6x squared. Then you perform the multiplication. 6x squared times x is 6x cubed. 6x squared times negative 3 is negative 18x squared. Parentheses, minus sign, add. These cancel. Negative 3 plus 18 is 15x squared. Then you bring down the 6x. Then you do it again. The question is, what do you multiply by x in order to get 15x squared? So 15x. So you do 15x times x, it's 15x squared. Then 15x times negative 3 is negative 45x. Parentheses, minus sign, add. So you have 6x plus 45, that's 51x. Then you bring down the 0, intense problem. Then again, the question is, what do you multiply by x in order to get 51x? 51. Then you perform the multiplication. 51 times x is 51x. 51 times 3 is negative 153. Parentheses, minus sign, and then you get a positive 153. Let's try to type in the answer. This problem is really tough. So 2x cubed, that's called the quotient, this piece I'm typing in here, plus 6x squared, okay, plus 15x, plus 5, that's the quotient. It's always quotient plus remainder over divisor. So this piece here is called the divisor, that's what people call it. Then x minus, remainder, 153, it's the remainder. And this piece here, the x minus 3, that's the divisor. That's what people call it, the divisor. So quotient plus remainder over divisor, moment of truth. Oh, got it wrong. And let's see if we can figure out where we messed up. Let's see, 2x cubed plus 6x squared. Oh, right here, 51. I typed it in wrong. Here we go. Got it right. So very, 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 very easy to mess up in this question. So be really careful when you're doing this. You see I typed it in wrong at first. So hopefully this video made sense. That's it.